Attention! 94% of American seniors over 65 are making a critical muscle mistake every single day. You might be doing it right now, without realizing it could silently steal your strength, mobility, and the freedom to live independently. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes I'm going to reveal 5 everyday foods that not only nourish your muscles, but outperform eggs in helping seniors rebuild strength, even in your 70s or 80s. Scientists analyzed over 3,000 foods for their ability to support muscle in older adults. And here's the shocker. Eggs, long celebrated as the ultimate protein, didn't make the cut. For decades, seniors have been told to rely on eggs to fight weakness. But recent research shows that, as we age, our muscles may not fully absorb egg protein, leaving them undernourished while cholesterol quietly accumulates. The reality? Muscles need more than just protein. They require the right type, timed correctly, with nutrients that repair tissue, reduce inflammation, and restore energy. And that's exactly what these 5 foods do. Why muscle loss isn't inevitable after 70? As we age, our muscles naturally lose strength and mass, a condition called sarcopenia. By age 70, many adults have already lost up to 30% of their muscle fibers, making everyday tasks like standing, climbing stairs, or carrying groceries increasingly challenging. Here's the encouraging truth. With the right nutrition, muscle loss isn't unavoidable. Research shows that older adults can still stimulate new muscle growth well into their 70s and 80s. A 12-month study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming high-quality proteins and nutrient-dense foods significantly increased lean muscle mass and enhanced physical performance in seniors. Dr. Stuart Phillips, a leading protein metabolism researcher, says, older adults respond well to specific proteins and plant-based nutrients, which can reverse aspects of age-related muscle decline. This means that with a carefully planned diet, your body can rebuild strength, improve balance, and regain energy that many seniors assume is lost forever. Proper nutrition isn't just supportive, it's transformative, giving older adults a real chance to maintain independence and vitality. Why eggs aren't enough for seniors' muscle growth? As we grow older, our bodies absorb protein from eggs less efficiently, so even eating them daily may not supply the essential nutrients muscles require for repair and strength. Experts now stress that building strength isn't just about protein quantity, it's about protein quality, digestibility, timing, and accompanying nutrients. Simply put, eggs alone no longer guarantee optimal muscle repair for older adults. The good news? There are accessible, everyday foods that outperform eggs in rebuilding strength, improving balance, and helping seniors maintain independence. Next, let's uncover those 5 powerful foods, affordable, proven, and packed with nutrients specifically for aging muscles. Food number 5. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is far more than a simple snack. It's a slow-digesting powerhouse designed to feed muscles while you sleep. Rich in casein protein, it releases amino acids gradually over several hours, giving muscles the consistent fuel they need during the body's primary repair phase. 1 cup provides about 25 grams of high-quality protein plus calcium and phosphorus to strengthen bones and prevent fractures. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that older adults consuming casein before bed had significantly higher overnight muscle protein synthesis compared to those who skipped nighttime protein. Seniors consistently report less morning stiffness, stronger legs, and steadier energy throughout the day, all from a humble cup of cottage cheese. The slow-release protein ensures muscles are nourished overnight, something eggs cannot match, as egg protein is absorbed quickly and often doesn't sustain repair through the night. Food number 4. Tofu. Tofu is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids the body cannot produce on its own. Beyond protein, its isoflavones provide gentle plant-based support for declining hormone levels, especially estrogen, which plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle mass, bone density, and joint health. Researchers in the Journal of Nutrition observed that older adults regularly consuming soy protein preserved significantly more lean muscle than peers relying solely on animal protein. They also reported less joint pain and improved mobility. Tofu is naturally low in saturated fat and cholesterol-free, making it a safer choice for heart health. A critical factor, as efficient blood flow ensures muscles receive the nutrients and oxygen they need. Food. Number 3. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, or garbanzo beans, deliver about 15 grams of protein per cup, paired with complex carbohydrates that provide steady, long-lasting energy for muscles. Unlike refined carbs that spike blood sugar and lead to energy crashes, chickpeas fuel activity while supporting tissue repair. A study published in the Journal of Nutrients found that older adults who regularly consumed legumes, including chickpeas, experienced significant improvements in muscle endurance and overall physical performance. Beyond protein, chickpeas are rich in magnesium, zinc, and folate, nutrients that regulate muscle contraction, strengthen bones, and repair connective tissue. Food number 2. Sardines. Sardines might come in a small can, but they pack over 20 grams of complete protein per serving, along with omega-3 fatty acids that combat chronic inflammation, a silent factor that slows muscle repair with age. They are also rich in vitamin D and calcium, which strengthen bones, and vitamin B12, supporting nerve function to ensure muscles respond efficiently. A 2-year study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who regularly consumed omega-3-rich fish such as sardines gained greater muscle mass and stronger grip strength. Grip strength is a strong predictor of overall mobility and independence, meaning stronger hands often translate into steadier balance and improved daily function. Food number 1. Teff grain. Teff, a tiny ancient grain from Ethiopia, packs a surprisingly powerful punch. 1 cup of cooked teff provides 10 grams of complete protein, iron, calcium, and an unusually high level of lysine, an amino acid essential for collagen production. Collagen supports healthy tendons, ligaments, and connective tissue, all crucial for strong, stable muscles. A study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition showed that seniors consuming teff experienced improved hemoglobin levels, which enhances oxygen delivery to muscles. Better oxygen flow translates into stronger steps, higher endurance, and reduced fatigue during daily activities. Teff is naturally gluten-free, easy to digest, and affordable, making it ideal for seniors who want to strengthen muscles, protect joints, and maintain independence. How to eat these foods after 60. Eating the right foods is only half the battle. How you include them in your daily routine can make all the difference in rebuilding strength and maintaining independence after 60. Here's a simple, realistic approach to integrating the 5 muscle-building foods into your life. To maximize casein's slow-release benefits, consume cottage cheese about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. You can enjoy it plain, or add fresh berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a few nuts for extra flavor and nutrients. A single cup before sleep feeds your muscles steadily throughout the night, improving recovery and energy the following morning. Incorporate tofu into your diet 3 to 4 times per week. Replace 1 or 2 meat meals with baked, grilled, or stir-fried tofu. Silken tofu can also be blended into smoothies for an easy morning protein boost. Its isoflavones support hormone balance, while complete protein nourishes muscles efficiently. Chickpeas are extremely versatile. Add them to salads, soups, or make homemade hummus. Aim for 1/2 to 1 cup per serving 2 to 3 times per week. Pairing chickpeas with whole grains like brown rice or quinoa creates a complete protein profile, giving your muscles everything they need for repair and sustained energy. Canned sardines are a fast, no-cook protein source. Eat them 2 to 3 times per week, straight from the can, on whole grain crackers or mixed into salads. Pair with a squeeze of lemon for added vitamin C, which helps calcium absorption. Omega-3s in sardines reduce inflammation, helping muscles recover faster and preventing stiffness. Cook teff like porridge for breakfast or add it to soups, stews, or baked goods. Aim for 1/2 to 1 cup cooked per meal 3 to 4 times per week. Its lysine content supports collagen synthesis, strengthening tendons, ligaments, and connective tissue while nourishing your muscles. Combining teff with legumes like chickpeas or lentils further amplifies protein quality for optimal repair. Practical tips for seniors. Over 60. Consistency is key. Spread these foods across the week rather than trying to eat all at once. Pair protein with movement. Light resistance exercises amplify muscle growth and strength. Hydration matters. Proper hydration helps nutrient transport to muscles and prevents cramps. Start simple. Begin with 1 or 2 foods at a time, then gradually integrate the full list. By following this approach, seniors can rebuild strength, protect joints, and maintain balance, all while keeping meals affordable, easy, and enjoyable. The goal isn't perfection. It's creating a sustainable, nutrient-rich routine that keeps your body resilient and independent. Now it's your turn. Which of these 5 foods will you try first to rebuild strength and protect your muscles after 60? Drop your answer in the comments below. We read and reply to every single one. If you found this guide helpful, tap the like button, share it with a friend or family member who could benefit, and subscribe for more evidence-backed tips to keep your body strong, independent, and full of energy. Remember, small, consistent changes in your diet today can translate into stronger legs, better balance, and more confident steps tomorrow.